Can you hear me, darling?
I don't know, but I can see you.
Whee!
So today we have 2 of the Doorables Micro Motion Capsules. As to who we have no idea because we bought these before the codes were out.
We literally have no idea anything.
But I don't usually look at the codes anyways. I just let Greg decide which ones I get, and then I'm happily surprised sometimes.
Somehow we've been successful.
Yes, so we're gonna open the first one here. I don't know where the codes are for these. Oh, they're on the bottom.
They're on the bottom.
This
so
is A017.
I've got A003.
All right, so I'm gonna start with 017. Please hold.
Yes.
Okay, so we have our capsule open. We have our paper. Susan, show them what we can get. Can you guess what these are? No, because they're in capsules.
Oh, look at them. We need to pull with the pull in the helmet. Okay.
So I put my key in. Excuse you, you are in my space.
I want to see what's when you unlock the key. What does it
Oh!
Oh, that's cute.
It's Snow White.
And she is a common, but then she is, if you pull her off, she is supposed to move.
Oh, it's like a music box sort of, but no music.
I'm getting there. Hold on. Oh shoot!
She blinks.
That's kind of freaky. Well, that's gonna give me nightmares.
All right.
Actually, you know what? It sounds like Morse code. If someone out there knows Morse code.
SOS!
Yes.
Rachel's nightmares.
Somebody say my nightmare's right here. Can I prevent her from moving again because this is creepy?
Well, I think
She's
if you
kinda
pull her
creepy.
off- hang on. Please hold. We will come back with the second one. Next one, so
This-
Rachel can be creeped out.
Yes, this is A003.
How are we helping?
She's staring at me. I don't like that. Go away. Okay. Please don't. I don't want this one to blink. That blinking, that reminds me of like The Hills Have Eyes. So hopefully this one doesn't remind me of that. Please hold. I'm struggle bussing.
Who do we have in number 3?
Am I gonna be creeped out?
Oh, it's Ariel.
Okay, pull in the tab.
What does she do?
This is her tail that moves. That's not nearly as creepy as the eyes blinking.
Well, we don't know. It's
Oh wait,
still.
do I need to pull the papers off?
I think you need to pull the paper.
probably.
Oh, tail moves.
Okay, that's not as creepy.
Okay, that's cool.
Yeah, that one is cute. The eyes blinking, no.
And Ariel is a rare.
Ooh,
So you got blinking Snow White
no.
and fishtail Ariel.
Fine.
So what are your thoughts on this?
She scares the bejeebus out of me.
You want to look at her?
Please no, I don't. You are fine. You scare. Don't look at me.
So
Don't look at me.
Does the Cheshire Cat then change color?
No,
No,
it's micro motion.
I think that the tail moves. I think the arms move. I think Dumbo's ears move.
Okay, that would make sense. So what does Mike Wazowski do?
We don't know,
think
Mom.
the
We
arm-
don't have them.
But I don't know. We need to say.
I mean, either way, this one's cute. I don't like the blinking. I can't do it. Like, imagine if you had these all lined up
So
in a
will
row.
you get more?
No, because I'm terrified of getting more that blink.
So maybe I will code hunt Stitch for you, and maybe
Yes.
Pooh,
Yes, Stitch and Pooh.
and maybe Mike Wazowski.
I like
maybe
Mike
Mike Wazowski.
So we have 3 that I will go hunting for, but I don't think she can take another.
No, I can't take
Although
another Snow White.
Olaf would be probably cute too.
Your mom wants like those.
She wants
No,
them
no,
all.
no.
All right. So Rachel, final thoughts?
No. You okay? You scare me. This is the stuff nightmares are made of.
Hey
You're
now,
normally-
hey now.
This is what nightmares are made of. No, just no. I like Snow White, but I don't like the blinking. I can't do the blinking. No, just let's see if I can make her do it
I
again.
think the non-human ones. So yeah,
This
Stitch,
is
Mike
creepy.
Wazowski.
All right.
All right.
Well, thank you
Bye,
for
everyone.